Hey bugs, how you guys doing today? So, as said, we have our box here. Unfortunately, that UPS left on my front porch. Thank goodness I'm a Choice member and I get message alerts for deliveries. And this box is from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It's not much, but it's a little few things that I needed for my soaps. So we have our packing slip, and then I'm waiting for some more lye to actually come. And in here, I wanted to try out some of their glitter. So we have some iridescent super sparkle glitter, and this looks pretty cute, if you guys can see that. So we'll be trying some of this in our soaps. And I have some more titanium dioxide. I needed that. And then we have these two butters here. I really just wanted to try them. I've never, we have Kokum and Shorea or Sal butter. I don't know really how to pronounce that, but it looked kind of intriguing to me, and it was pretty cheap, so I wanted to try it out. And then we have a big bucket down here that has palm in it. And I told you guys before, I've been trying out new recipes, and I'm going to heat this up and mix it up. I don't know if I have to, but I'm just going to anyway to make sure that the stearic acid that's in here is good. And I'll probably reuse, well, I'm not going to probably, but I'll reuse this box for something else. But anyway, let's get into these butters. And then I cut myself, it's a mess. But I really wanted to try these out before I actually use them in anything, because I'm looking to make a Super Luxe body butter. And that's going to be like a even more luxurious body butter that I make already. And my hands are clean. Just want to get a small piece from out of here. And this really doesn't, it's this one, this is the Sal butter, or Sharia, or Sheree, or Shore. I don't know. Tell me how to pronounce this. But that's this right here. It really doesn't smell like anything more than, it's like, it smells like vegetable shortening, kind of like. But it's very nice. That little piece that I had in my hand, and it melted off from the body heat, obviously, and it left a nice little coat. That feels nice. And then we have the Kokum, and I heard a lot about this. Well, not a lot, but I read about some of it on what's that, Brambleberry, or SoapQueenTV.com. And this one has like a little, it smells, it has a little smell to it. I'm trying to, it smells good, but I can't really, it's almost like, it smells like a seasoning, like almost like oregano or whatever have you. But at any rate, let's take some of this out. It's very crumbly and hard. It's powdery, and let me see. Yeah, this one is definitely like, it's up there with cocoa butter. But it's really not taking long to work into my skin. So let me just take a piece. It's really hard to break this up. Okay. It's not really, let's see. Try to squeeze a little piece right here. I don't know if you guys have ever used any Kokum butter. Let me know how you like it. But this is kind of strange. I'm used to butters just like melting onto my skin, and this, like, this little piece, and it's still not going anywhere. But it does, it feels kind of nice. It goes on quite dryly, almost like an argan oil. But yeah, it feels pretty nice. So we'll see how I like this. I'm going to try some things with these butters. Get the crumbs from off my hand. And let's try on the other side the Sal or Sharia. Tell me how to pronounce it. See, this is really nice. See how shiny that is? And then it just melts on my skin. But I still like the drier side right here. The not so shiny side, if you guys can see that. See the difference? Well, it's kind of a glare from the light, but you see the difference. Yeah, I really like that kokum. I like them both, actually. I don't mind the shininess. I like for my skin to glisten. But we're going to try some things with these butters for the new year to come. So maybe like lip balms, and I'll add them to body butter or whatever have you. But at any rate, I will let you know once I figure it out. And once I figure out what the smell is, like, it doesn't stink, but it has a very distinct smell to it. So for now, that is my unboxing. I just wanted to make a video for you guys, chat it up with you really quickly because I have nothing else better to do with my time. And I love you guys. So thank you for watching. And if you have any ideas for these butters for right now, before I get any more, I've used obviously cocoa and shea butter and mango butter, but I've never used these ones before, and there are more butters that I want to try. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment below. Oh, and if you like my ring, this was actually custom made for me by my friend Chrissy, who is the owner of Inspirational Candles, New Pride Designs, and she has another company, but I forgot the name of that one, where she makes crochet items. But this is for a New Pride design, and you guys can follow her on Instagram if you like. She's very sweet, and she does, like I said, custom orders, and I bought candles from her as well. So her prices are very reasonable, and she's very nice, and she accommodates everybody. So, like, as I was saying, if you have any suggestions for the use of these new butters with the small amounts that I have, just to try them out and test them out, let me know in the comments below. Shoot me a DM, email, whatever have you. All the links are in the description box. So thank you guys for hanging out with me and chatting with me while I do this unboxing, this small unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.